Hey, good day. TurboDave here with Performance Corner. We're going to start a series. Um, Back in 2014, I had an opportunity to go to Japan and learn how to build a Nissan GTR R35 N-Attack. The N-Attack, as Nürburgring, is based off the Nürburgring. In 2009, it was the fastest production car. Production cars in racing terms can be used very loosely, and we're going to go over that. But what this is basically a homologation car. Homologation is used in a lot of sanctioning race series to make them a factory car. Homologation is you have a series of aftermarket parts. They can be offered to people to race in the same series. To give you an idea, is the K series Honda engines and the 2ZZ, 1ZZ engine in the mid to late 90s were engines that were developed by Toyota and Honda respectively, and they turned the head around actually and put the intake on the front. That was our homologation engine for that race series, which later turned into a production engine. And so the GTR N-Attack is kind of the same thing. You start off with a Nismo GTR, Nismo edition, and the additions that you put onto it are just an option from the dealership. So we'll go over all that, what it is and stuff like that. But for me, it was a great thing. I got to go to Japan, work with Nismo Nissan in their facility where they build the GT500s, the GT300s, and stuff like that, and they had their race team there. So it was an awesome experience for me, and I'm going to go over the car so everybody understands what it is. A lot of people don't know what the N-Attack is. It was something that was available here, but it wasn't a big seller. It wasn't a big horsepower car. It was about a total car package, and so we're going to go over that. It was a bigger thing in Europe and Japan, so we'll go over that and how it was built and the steps. It takes about a month and a half to build if you're on it every day. So it's quite a big project. Pretty exciting to talk about it and explain what it is. There's nothing that's going to be top secret, that hasn't been put out on the car already. But it's just the parts of the car, the carbon fiber and stuff like that goes on it. Carbon fiber that's already on it. So we'll have our GTR N-Attack series starting, and we'll talk to you next time we have something going on. Thank you for watching. Oh, if you want to see more and you want to make sure, subscribe so that way you can see every time we have our GTR N-Attack or whatever else. If you like our other videos, subscribe to us, please. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.